Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple spring or summertime butterfly bow. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm going to cut a piece that's long enough that I can fold it in half and still put it into the Bowdabra and tuck the ends underneath on each side. So I'll just tuck that under there, tuck it under there. And when I'm done, you'll see why we fold it in half. Then I'm going to take this, lay this down. I've already dovetailed the ends. Now I'm going to take another piece of my beautiful spring ribbon. It works for spring, summer. And then I'm going to now twist it and bring it back around. Let's give it a little bit bigger. Twist it and bring it back around. And I'm going to fold and twist. And now in the next loop, let's make that a little bit bigger there. On the next loop, what I'm going to do is graduate it in just a little bit. So we're going to just graduate that in there. We're going to fold this over here and graduate it in here. Make that a little bit bigger on this side. Graduate that in there. Then I'm going to make two more loops. Fold it here and graduate it in a little bit. And fold it back over here. And we're going to graduate that in. Then I'm going to just clip the excess that I don't need. And now I'm going to take my beautiful little burlap flower and lay that down into my Bowdabra. Just tuck that down in there. And then what I'll do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, and the reason I fold it in half is now I have a slip knot. So I'm just going to pull this through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate the ends and bring it around to the back. And now I'm going to tie a knot and tie it really tight, which is why I love the Bowdabra bow wire, because you really can tie it very tight. So we'll tie it real tight here, and then I'm just going to bring it back around here, knot it. Whoops, bring this so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to knot it and knot it again. And I can either leave the wire on it, or if I'm going to attach it to a package, I can either use a hot glue or an adhesive dot. So now we're just going to shape this out. And bring this in here. And you have a really pretty little butterfly bow that's super simple to make. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video.